They want us to find the red graph is our function, and they want us to graph the derivative of that red graph, which I'll do in blue. So here's what I suggested you do. First of all, wherever you see, remember the derivative means the slope at the point. So the slope there is going to be 0. So I know that's going to be on my graph. The slope here is 0 because it's a horizontal line. The slope here is 0. So there's my 3. I start by graphing my three zeros, and then I look at the end behavior. The end behavior over here on this end, those are all going to be negative slopes. So this is going to be down here. Those are going to be negative slopes, and the closer I get to -2, the bigger negative. So it's going to do this. Oops. It's going to go down toward there. This right here. So this is now a positive slope, and it's small, and it gets bigger, but then it starts getting smaller again. So it's positive from here to here, from -1 to 0. It's a positive slope, and it starts getting bigger, but at a certain point right here, it's called actually the inflection point is the maximum, so I'll put that right here. And then it's going to go smaller again, like that. Conversely, or on the flip side, these are all negative slopes, and they're getting bigger to this point right here. They're getting bigger negative, and then they start evening back out and getting smaller negative. So at this point right here is going to be that maximum, or that minimum point. It's going to go like this, and then it's going to get back up to here because those are all negative. And what's the slope of all those to the right?
Getting bigger.
And they're positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive, so they're going like this.
Oh, okay.
So my graph, and what you're going to learn soon is that the graphs of, this is a polynomial function. What was the red graph? Was what kind of a graph? Quadratic, cubic, or quartic?
Can you repeat that?
Yes, the red graph, was it quadratic, cubic, or quartic?
Quadratic.
Nope. Quadratic is always parabolas. Quartics, if it has
Oh, I was thinking
four
of quadratic was 4.
No, yeah, it's quartic. I know what you mean. That's a
Yeah, that's what I was
quartic
thinking.
graph, and the derivative of a quartic graph is going to be a cubic graph. The degree goes down by 1, which is that blue line.
Oh, is that
And
part of that shortcut?
Yeah, you'll see that in the shortcut in a second. You'll learn that in the shortcut.
Can't wait to